This process explains how to reset your password on Thomson Reuters Westlaw using the Forgot My Username or Password link. Before starting this process, you've already tried entering in your username and password, you've checked your caps lock, and you've entered in everything in a case-sensitive manner. But if you're still getting this error message, click on the Forgot My Username or Password link. You'll be taken to this next screen, where you'll have the opportunity to enter in the email address that's registered with your 1Pass profile. Enter in that email address and hit Continue. If you've forgotten your username, click on Forgot Username and be taken to a screen that's very similar. There, you'll enter in the email address registered with your 1Pass and hit Continue, and then you can use the same link again and the Forgot Password. Again, by entering in your email address on the Forgot Password link and hitting Continue, you will receive an email from the system. You'll be presented with this next screen that says if this address is associated with a 1Pass profile, we have sent an email with a link to change your password. If you do not see an email, please check your junk or spam folder. So go to your email right now. It may take a couple of minutes for it to show up. If it is not showing up, please dial the reference attorneys immediately at 1-800-REF-ATTY. Your email from 1Pass will look something like this, with the subject line 1Pass Forgotten Password and this blue link that you can click on to change your password. So go ahead and click on the blue link. That will take you to the Change Password screen. Here you'll have the opportunity to enter in a new password, confirm that password, and then change it and return to Westlaw. Please note that your last 10 passwords cannot be reused. In order for the system to accept your password, it must have these top two lines turn green. You'll notice that what I've entered in will not work because it only contains one of the below 3 character classes. Let's try again. Here we're doing a little better because we have 2 of the character classes, but again, we have not turned green up here because it requires 3 of the below character classes. Let's try again. You'll notice here these top 2 lines have turned green because we've got actually 4 of the required 3. Now, just make sure that you're entering it in correctly over here and that you have it written down or otherwise stored someplace safe before clicking Change and Return to Westlaw. You will receive an email that confirms that your 1Pass password has been successfully changed. And from the Thomson Reuters Westlaw login, you'll have the option to enter in your username, the new password which you have just changed, and then select one of these options to save your username, to save both your username and your password, or even to be remembered on this computer. Personally, I select the middle of these 2 options to save my username and password for easy logins next time. This concludes the brief walkthrough of how to change your password on Thomson Reuters Westlaw. But if you have any questions about that process or about Westlaw research in general, dial the reference attorneys at 1-800-REF-ATTY. That's 1-800-733-2889, any hour of the day or night, to be connected with a reference attorney who can answer your questions and give you the contact information for your in-person training and account management team. Thanks for listening.